Well, good morning everybody, and welcome back to the channel, Motorhome in Fun. We're on day 11 now of our current Scotland tour, and it's moving off day today. We've got a few hours here this morning before we have to leave. We've just got a short journey up the west side of Scotland, and we're going to Ayr. It's a caravan and motorhome club site called Craigie I think. I think it's based in a university campus. I've seen some pictures and other people's vlogs from there. It looks all very nice, so looking forward to that one. That's our main one left, guys. We got 3 nights there, and followed up by 1 night on the way home at Kendal. So we'll do the usual thing. We'll probably do just a leaving piece here, guys, and then we'll just do the arrival into Craigie. We're having a bit of a easy morning. We're just going to have a quick breakfast and then we're just going to take Sky down on the beach one last time at Culzean Castle, and that we might just send the drone up once more along the beachfront and that. So yeah, we'll see you guys on the leaving of Craigie Caravan and Camping Club. So bye for now. Right, welcome back everybody. We're just leaving Culzean Castle Caravan and Camping Club site, and we're heading up to Ayr now, to Craigie Caravan and Motorhome Club site. We're just gonna take a little detour in Ayr to Morrison's, I think, pick up some provisions and fill up with diesel. This is a little bit of a steep bit, guys, as you come out of the site. So you just got to watch you don't ground yourself there. And at the top here, guys, we're going to take a left up to Ayr.
Calculating route. Take the next left. Drive for 3.7 miles.
Right, we'll see you on the approach to Ayr, guys. Right, welcome back everybody. We're just on the final approach to Craigie Caravan and Motorhome Club site.
After 200 yards, turn right. Then arrive at your destination.
So we can see the site sign on our right hand side now, guys. Right, normal for us, we're a little bit early. Right, very nice gentleman that was. 20 minutes early and he's let me in already, guys. So let's see if we can find a nice suitable pitch. Some of these look pretty good to me. I'll do 31 will do us when it's sky. Right, let's see how level we are. Pretty good. That'll do us. Right, welcome back to the channel, everybody. As you can see, we've arrived at Ayr Craigie site, and in the end we moved from the other pitch, as you probably see me pull onto, and we chose number 54, guys. So we'll just have a wander around. It's just a standard awning pitch, and that got the Wastemaster plugged in, and that underneath, and electric lead. It's one of those twist socket guys, so don't just plug in, just twist as well. So we'll do a little site walk now. We'll start off at the entrance and work our way around. So if you'd like to follow us, we'll show you. Right, guys, this is site entrance. As you can see me pull in. So we've got the new arrivals where you pull in down here, guys. Gentleman at the barrier was waiting for us. We've got the reception there on the left. Right, let me just spin round. I've just got the dog caught around my legs. Right, so we've got reception there. You got the barrier there, guys. Give you a barrier key, they do. We've got a variety pitches left on the right side. They're all awning pitches here. They do tell me service pitches are going in next year, and they'll all be down the centre. So as you can see, it's a beautiful little compact site, tree lined around the edges, down the centre. It should be a bit busier by later. 23 people are coming in today. Right, you got some services here, guys, on the right hand side. You got your standard chemical waste point, recycle bins, drinking water, wastewater, etc. As you can see, I've parked just behind there, guys, so we'll just continue walking back round. Town centre, I've been told, is 10 minutes away, and the seafront 15-20 minutes maximum, depending how quick you walk. Also there's some lovely riverbank walks just out of the site. Hopefully we'll do a few of those, guys, when we're here the next couple of days. So as you can see, it just branches off both ways along here. We've got a few along the back. If you don't mind being more under the trees, probably get a little bit more shade there. And right at this top corner, I can see a little kiddies play area. Not for the big kids, just the small kids. So that's your kiddies play area. As I say, guys, it's not a big site, this, although there are quite a few pitches, but in lengthwise it's basically 4 rows, I should imagine. So this is the little bit where it diverted off as well. And I think you got a service point here, guys. Just your standard ones again, like we just seen. Yep. Chemical waste, recycle bins, general waste, wastewater, drinking water, and your fire action station. And in front of us, guys, we've got the main amenities block now. As you can see, the motorhome service point as well. You got the drive over grid, wastewater, drinking water. We'll just start going across the front. You've got a laundry room here. Let's have a quick peek. Couple of sinks in there, guys. Just spin round. Your normal tumble dry dishwasher. A little bit of worktop space there. Right. You got a disabled access facility there. Toilet, shower. You got some more service points there. Just recycle bins. Then you got the ladies' facilities and a dishwashing area for your pots and pans. And we'll just take a wander around the back, and I'll imagine at this end of the building we've got the gents' facilities. So we've got the gents in here. There you go. Here's your men's urinals. Toilets. Some showers on this side. And you've got some wash basin, cubicles, nappy change in that one. Yep, so you've got quite a few of these hand basins. Toilets and showers up there, guys. And the urinals. So we'll head back out. These are closed between 10:30 and 12. You've got another chemical waste point next to the gents. And on the front of the building you got your drinking water and wastewater disposal. Right, down in front of us, guys. I won't walk down there, but that leads you back to the reception. You got probably a dozen white peg pitches there. This is the central spot. The area here, and it goes back up that way. You probably got 9 or 10 pitches up there, guys. Everything's all pretty flat, and we've got the same back this way. And this is where we're located. So that's a quick walk around, guys. Thanks for watching.